While there won't be criminal charges, District Attorney Michael Doherty pointed out that the burden of proof for civil liability is much lower than that for criminal liability, which is beyond a reasonable doubt.
There is already a lawsuit against Xcel. Karen Morfitt is joining us with more on that lawsuit tonight. Karen.
Oh, Karen, we'll likely see more action taken against Xcel. The current lawsuit was filed more than a year ago, and attorneys say a growing number of residents who lost everything are signing on to that lawsuit, but there are still plenty of homeowners left contemplating their next steps.
To my way of thinking.
Now living in a rental miles away from where his Louisville home once stood, John Mickles says learning what caused the fire that took his home is another step in what has been a long process.
I think it's something that in the back of your mind you always wanted to know, but it wasn't going to make a difference one way or the other.
In the time since the fire, he's been focused on rebuilding and avoiding trying to find someone to blame. But he knows not everyone has done the same.
We all wanted an answer, right? Now we've got an answer. What you do with it is up to you.
At least one lawsuit is already making its way through the court system, filed in March and targeting Xcel after video surfaced showing their downed and arcing power lines in the area.
They just don't want to accept their responsibility because it is massive.
James Avery is the lead attorney in that lawsuit and says law enforcement's determination that those lines were one of two ignition sources only strengthens their case.
What Xcel Energy has been insisting is that their equipment had nothing to do with the start of the fire. So the sheriff's investigation, blows that up.
In a statement, Xcel responded to the findings, saying Xcel Energy did not have the opportunity to review and comment on the analysis relied on by the sheriff's office and believes those analyses are flawed and their conclusions are incorrect. We have reviewed our maintenance records and believe the system was properly maintained.
They ought to be able to.
For Mickle, even the thought of joining a lawsuit at this point is just piling on to the things he has to do in order to get life back to normal.
There's so many plates in the air spinning that, that's just another one that now I've got to start spinning in the air and looking at as we go.
Now, Avery and the law group that he works with out of California have argued similar cases against energy companies involved in wildfires there. A majority of those cases, he says, have settled with those companies taking responsibility in some form. We have Xcel's complete statement online at cbscolorado.com.
Likely not the last that we have heard of this issue.
Absolutely.
Karen, thank you.